Okay, so I've done this long. So basically, I'm gonna take this out to clean it. The 75 litre weaco Dynamic with the CFX. So I've used this for a few times, and it's beautiful. Well, you can tell it's all dusty. I'm not sure you can see that in the camera, but it's dusty. And I'm gonna put the CFX. Well, you won't see it, but it's in here. Nope, there we go. You can just see the. There you go, just there. Bit of it, whatever it is. The fridge. The actual insulator fridge. Only because, well, I've looked on YouTube and no one's made a video about it. So you know what? Let's see if I can make a video about it. I haven't found anything, so maybe it's my typing skills not working.
Somebody's crying polo. Somebody's crying polo. I need you not today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Weaco. There's a seat in there, but yeah, so far cans and all. Oh shit, I gotta clean that and see. Damn it. Oh, well, that's what happens when you've left things in here. It vibrates around and causes damage. Right, yeah, my fault. But yeah, apart from that, I've used it and I'm happy with it. I still got to figure out the working temperature, which I'm guessing would be about 0 degrees. I did learn something in school. Building science, freezing point is at 0. So yeah, actually, what can I say? I'm not disappointed. I chose the big boy because, well, A, it fits perfectly, and B, I can throw all the stuff out in there because so far I'm the only one that has one, and my mates just don't have one yet. So yeah, that box is down. Oh sweet, they gave me an invoice. That's pretty cool. So I bought it for $153. That I think includes shipping. Right, $10, $150. Yeah, $153 in total. So that's the package right there. Oh look, that's funny. It says $153, but yeah, packaging says 180. So I did save myself a couple bucks on eBay. So yeah, anyway, hopefully this works. Let me just clean the inside the fridge first before I put this on. So I'll see you. So it's actually bigger than I thought, and the box is really flimsy. But so far, I'm actually liking this. Nice packaging, super shiny too. And the reason why I bought it is sitting in the back of the car. So again, a little stain marks. I'm not sure you can see it there. What is it? It's somewhere here. There it is. See it? There's a little dent in there, and there's a dent. There's a little dent right there. There you go, right there. Sorry, the camera's not making justice. It's just the little things you start getting paranoid because you spend. I wouldn't say spend. It was given me as a gift. I'm not gonna lie. But like, you have this so expensive, and it's so getting damaged, and you just get pissed off about it. So after the best you can. So I bought this here so I can protect it a bit more, and 2, it insulates the whole fridge too. So it's a 2-in-1 factor for me, and this is pretty cool. So you got 2 doors. Inside. That's what it looks like from the inside. I say that's pretty cool. You got, if I remember correctly, you got an opening. Where is it? Shoot, oh, there it is. That's the side. The lights aren't doing any justice here, but yeah. So you got this here. You can pull your cabling and all that. If you want your manual, if you really need to. So yeah, hopefully let's see if we can put this in. It's raining outside, so I don't think I'm going to put it back in the car yet. So let's hope for all the best. Anyway, I'll just put it in now. Okay, never mind. So a mate of mine just helped me install it. I'll give you a tip. doesn't say it, but there's a zip on here and a zip here, which we found out after as we were installing it. But I'll tell you right now, man, I am impressed with this. Like, put that on, put that there. Like, that's well protected and well insulated. That there is gonna be perfect. Like the quality too, man. It's like not. You think maybe $200 might not be much, but you don't get much for $200 and be this decent quality, man. Like stitching looks mint so far. It feels like sturdy, man. Like proper. There's almost like, I don't know how to say it. It's like, yeah. The first thing that comes to my head in quality wise is probably like Black Duck seat covers. Like this feels sleek, man. Nice, simple. And then like, you can open it. There you go. And then you got your covers here, so you can put stuff in it. Probably any little problem I probably have is that it's a single stitching here in the middle. But that's okay. I don't think you'll be using it that much. Putting stuff that heavy in it. I don't know what's this for though. This little key holder here. Exactly. But you got a little PVC clear top here to see what you're doing. You still access your buttons nice and easily. Panels there, pretty good. To install it, that there slides out. Well, not on this side. Yeah, I put two zip ties there because it's in the. I got this connected to the cigarette port in the back of my car for now, until I can put the actual popper stuff in. Yeah, basically it. So don't worry about that. It's going to be done later on once I save enough more money for it. Best way to describe it. My mate didn't do it here. So what you do is. So you open it like that. Pull the handle out. Slide that over. And bingo, bango. Look at that. Nice and sleek. That is mint. I actually like that. They actually really thought about this design here. They thought of everything. It's interesting because you got this texture. You got this really like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like this fish scale rubber texture here, and you got this canvas type. I think it's canvas. I don't know what this is, but yeah, double stitching. Overall, man, I give this a 10 out of 10 so far. I would install it back in the car to show you how to do it right now, but it is pissing down rain. So yeah, I can't do that for a while. But now I gotta wait it out now. Set the. Oh yeah, anyway, I'll do another. She's in. I didn't put the screws under it. I forgot about that. I gotta do that anyway. But yeah, it actually. Well, see, it goes in that cigarette port right there for now. Until then, we gotta get it properly done. But yeah, apart from that, it literally, like, I put this on and I feel more confident now. I can leave this in the back of the car and not worry about this getting, mainly that they're getting all scratched up and shit, which is a bonus for me. So yeah, I say this is a win, worth the money, worth the $150 or $180 that says on the box. So yeah, now you know how it looks like in the back of the GU.